With the proposed state budget cuts, it could affect the Medi-Cal program. I'm Maddie Volmer, your Bakersfield neighborhood reporter. However, this could affect undocumented adults the most, and they may be wondering what to do next.
So we're going to freeze enrollment.
Governor Gavin Newsom unveils a $322 billion budget plan for 2025-2026. Despite a $363 million surplus, the state faces a projected $16 billion revenue drop. To close that gap, the budget plan includes proposed cuts to Medi-Cal and other public health programs. Governor Newsom says there will be a $5 billion freeze on Medi-Cal, clarifying that the program isn't being cut, just capped, particularly for the undocumented residents. The Kern County Department of Human Services adds that this won't only affect undocumented immigrants, but also low-income residents as well.
Losing coverage will impact both low-income individuals as well as undocumented immigrants in our community. Ultimately, the asset test that I shared that obviously impacts individuals and families could literally lose coverage for a large majority of the people on Medi-Cal.
Morello says that in recent years, Medi-Cal got rid of asset limits, making it easier for people to qualify. But now the state plans to bring those limits back, $2,000 for one person and $3,000 for a couple. This means many people may no longer qualify for Medi-Cal.
In the state of California, there's always restricted access to medical services that's tied to limiting it to emergency services, life-threatening situations, if you will. That's the medical coverage that will still be available, but in terms of general seeing your doctor when you're sick, preventative medications, those kinds of things, those will no longer be eligible for those people that are no longer on Medi-Cal.
He adds that if these proposals take effect, there's no backup plan to support those who lose coverage. Governor Newsom says that those who remain on Medi-Cal may soon be required to pay monthly premiums. Meanwhile, new enrollees would no longer be eligible to apply for Medi-Cal under these proposed changes. For many undocumented adults, the budget cuts raise a lot of uncertainty as to what's next for the future of their medical care. For 23 ABC, I'm Maddie Volmer, your Bakersfield neighborhood reporter.